In today's video, we're diving into the question, WP Engine versus Hostwinds, which has better resources for developers. If you're a developer looking for hosting, you might have heard of both of these services. But with so many options available, how do you decide which one's right for you? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which option suits your needs and, spoiler alert, I'll even suggest an alternative that might just be the best fit. Let's get into it. The first thing to consider when choosing between WP Engine and Hostwinds is performance. WP Engine has a reputation for providing excellent speeds and optimized environments, especially for WordPress developers. Their platform is fully optimized for WordPress sites, offering built-in caching and a content delivery network, CDN, which can really boost site performance. However, they do come at a premium price for these optimizations. On the other hand, Hostwinds offers solid performance too, but without the WordPress-specific optimizations. Hostwinds is more general purpose, so if you're working with multiple CMS platforms or custom-built applications, it could be a better all-around solution. Next thing to think about is developer tools. WP Engine offers an impressive set of tools that developers love, including staging environments, one-click backups, and Git integration. The problem with WP Engine, though, is that these features are a bit locked behind higher-tier plans, so unless you're willing to pay for them, you may not get full access. Hostwinds, in comparison, offers more flexibility and developer freedom with full root access on all plans, which is great for those of you who want to dive deeper into server management. However, while the tools are there, Hostwinds doesn't have as many built-in WordPress-focused features, which can make the setup a bit more time-consuming. The third thing is customer support. WP Engine shines in this department with 24/7 live chat and phone support from experts that are specifically trained in WordPress. That said, their support isn't exactly cheap, and you're paying for that expertise with a higher price tag. Hostwinds also offers 24/7 customer support, but the response time can sometimes be slower, especially on their lower tier plans. You'll also have access to a wide range of self-help resources, but if you prefer quick solutions, WP Engine might be more appealing. The fourth thing to keep in mind is pricing. When it comes to price, Hostwinds is more affordable and offers flexible billing options. If you're working with a tight budget or need to scale your projects, Hostwinds can be a more cost-effective solution. However, the trade-off here is that you may need to manually optimize some aspects of your hosting to get the best performance, whereas WP Engine handles a lot of that for you. So, if you're looking for a more hands-off, optimized experience, WP Engine is worth the extra cost. Now, the scalability of both platforms is important. WP Engine is great for businesses that are growing quickly but want to stick to the WordPress ecosystem. They make it easy to scale without worrying about the technical side, but again, this comes at a price. Hostwinds, on the other hand, is more flexible. You can scale in many ways, but you'll need more technical know how to manage it effectively. So, if you're just getting started or want full control over your scaling, Hostwinds is a solid option. Lastly, let's talk about security. Both WP Engine and Hostwinds take security seriously, offering features like daily backups, free SSL certificates, and malware scanning. However, WP Engine goes the extra mile with automatic updates for WordPress, which is a big time saver. Hostwinds, though, puts the responsibility more on you. While they offer strong security measures, you'll have to handle some of the upkeep on your own. So, which one should you go with? WP Engine is a great choice if you're a WordPress developer looking for a high-performance, optimized platform with top-tier customer support and built-in tools. But it's expensive. Hostwinds, on the other hand, offers more flexibility and better pricing, but requires more technical know-how and doesn't come with the same level of optimization for WordPress. Both of these services are solid choices, but after trying both of them myself, I think there's an even better option out there for developers. If you're looking for something that combines the best of both worlds, reliable performance, excellent developer tools, and scalability without breaking the bank, take advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on this chance to try it risk-free.